Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kyra, and here on this channel, we love our makeup and we love using what we already have. And I'm here to help you do that. We also are big fans of real makeup for real life and real people like us. Today's video is my first update, what should be my second update, but my first update for my 2022 rolling project pan. This project is in collaboration with myself. And this year I have the goal to keep 3 usage goals and 3 progress goals within the project at all times, as well as to finish 1 product completely in each category. That is always my goal from year to year. I don't always make it, but I do try. If you're curious what the usage versus progress goals are, usage goals are something like use a certain product 20 times. Progress goals are something like hit pan, use half, finish, etc. So with all of that said, let's get into the update. So like I said, this is my first update. I would have had an update on February 1st, but I fell and broke my tibia and my fibula on January 23rd, had surgery on the 24th, and was in rehab until I believe it was the 12th or 13th of February. So yeah, so I didn't wear any makeup in the month of February. So I am going to share with you my progress today, and I'm hoping to have much better progress in the month to come. The first product is my Marc Jacobs Omega Bronzer. My goal is to hit pan on this one. In the past 2 months, I have used this 12 times, including today. It originally weighed in at 144.77 grams and now weighed in at exactly 144 grams. So not quite a full gram of usage on this one, but I still feel pretty good about that. I definitely would like to see my usage be more like 15 uses in the next month, just to challenge myself a little bit. Next is my Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Party. My goal is to finish this baby right here. I used this 10 times, including today, in the last 2 months. And it originally weighed in at 18.06 grams and now weighs in at 17.85 grams. The other thing that's kind of exciting, I think, is that I did finally hit side pan up here, kind of right by where the hinge is. I have a picture of it that I'll put up on the screen for you. I would definitely like to use this at least 10 times in the next month. That will be my goal, and we'll see how we do with that. Then we have my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop setting powder here, mattifying powder. I have the shade Light, and my goal is to hit pan on this one. The exciting part about this is most of the heart like embossing on here has gone away. I've used this 7 times in the last 2 months, which is not great, but it originally weighed in at 54.40 grams and it now weighs in at 52.89 grams. So weight-wise, I feel pretty good about the usage, but I definitely think I could have used it more. So again, I think I will set my goal at using this at least 10 times in the next month. Another powder that I'm working on is my Hourglass Veil Translucent Powder. It is a loose powder, and this is the mini, and I'd say we're almost like at the halfway point in terms of usage, but my goal is to use it 50 times. Which, you know, seems like a lofty goal, but mostly I just want to get some really good use out of it. But so far I only have 7 uses on this one, so I definitely need to up my game and hopefully use it more next month than I did this month. The next product is my MAC and Patrick Star I'm Not Blushing Powder Blush Duo, and the goal for this one is to use it 20 times, and I have only used it 3 times, and to be honest, like, I don't understand why I don't use this more. It's such a pretty peachy blush. When I think of like my perfect peach blush, this is what I picture. So I just need to be more diligent in using this next month, or this coming month rather. And I would really like to see the 20 uses be done. That would be 17 uses that I would have to do. But let's say I would like to at least use it 10 additional times in the coming month. And then lastly, my Kevyn Aucoin Neo Highlight in the shade Sahara. Again, my goal is to use this 20 times, and I have used it 10 times. So halfway there on this one. This one's very easy to use. It is just a very neutral highlighter. It is the one that I have on today. It's nice and soft. It's very good for everyday wear because it's not beaming, and that's kind of what I look for on an everyday basis. So I would really like to, you know, go ahead and get those 10 uses knocked out in the next month and roll this product out at the next update. And that is it. Nothing rolling out this month, nothing new rolling in. You know, solid progress, but you know, I wish it was more. I wish I had been able to wear makeup in February, but if wishes were money, I would be a rich, rich girl apparently. So I hope you guys enjoyed the update. I always enjoy sharing my progress with you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I appreciate you, and I appreciate your time as always. And I hope all of your makeup days are absolutely beautiful makeup days. And I will see you in my next video soon.